Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. In today's video on Tech Data Streamone, I'm here to show you how to deploy click-to-run Veritas Backup Exec solution on Azure via Tech Data Streamone. So let's get started, and I hope you know that Streamone is Tech Data's customer-facing portal, which allows you to deploy all these solutions. So I'm already logged in into this and techdatastreamone.ca, and let's pick Microsoft Azure Registration solution and go to click for details. And as I mentioned that there are a lot of pre-configured bundles that we have created. So we have like Veeam, we have NetApp, we have Veritas Backup Exec, Azure Backup, File Storage, NetApp ONTAP. So there is quite a list. So this we are talking about Backup Exec. So let me just pick and click on register and go to view cart. With the Backup Exec selected, let's go and click on proceed to checkout. Here, if you don't have the end user, you can go through and put the company name, first name, last name, and all the information. For this demonstration, I already have one created with the name Girish under Tech Data. So let me pick that. And go to configuration. Okay, so if it is for the first time, you're creating a new end customer, you will highlight that and you need to provide a primary domain name. So I'll just give the name IT demo TD and hopefully that is available. Okay, so yeah, it says it's good and I need to provide the end customer agreement information. So let me put that. Pick the acceptance date, the phone number that I want to associate. And I can pick to which account credential the username and the password basically to log into the Azure portal will be sent. So in this case, I'll pick the one that I'm associated with and go to payment. You need to provide a PO number and go to summary. And here you get the information about the end customer, the configuration, and as you can see, we have selected the product Backup Exec, and the total cost associated with this is 0 because it's all based on consumption, so nothing to start with. And let's go to place order. Okay, so the order is currently in process. So yes, we have placed the order, but we still have not configured what we need to deploy on Azure from the Backup Exec side. So let me just go to the reseller portal, go to digital locker. I will do a quick search with my name, and it was under the name Tech Data. Go to ISPAS tab. And if I go all the way down, you will see that I have the order that I have provisioned, right? So I can go and click on modify. And if you scroll down, you see you have the button for click to configure. So let me pick that. And at this stage, I can specify under what location I want this backup exec server to be provisioned. So as you can see that I have quite a list. Because you're talking about Canada, I'll pick Canada Central, which is in Toronto region. I need to give the name for the resource group. Provide the admin user. So this person will have a complete access over this machine. So he or she will be basically the owner of the machine. Give the name for the virtual machine. And at this stage, you can pick what size you want to give. Now, this pre-configured bundle has 4 sizes. You can pick DS1 version 2, version 3 for D2S, D4S version 3, and D8S. And all these specific machines, they have a specific kind of compute power, RAM, and storage which get associated. And Tech Data has created a detailed documentation which give you all the steps and give you all the information about what is the prescribed size that you'll be using. So I would recommend that you go through this. Tech Data will be happy to share with you. And you need to give the name for the storage account. And you can pick from standard locally redundant, which will create 3 copies within one region, or you can pick standard GRS, which is geo-redundant storage, which will create 6 copies distributed between 2 regions. And the moment you click on deploy now, it will start deploying the resources under the Canada Central region. It will create the virtual network, the network security group, the specified virtual machine, the storage associated with that, and Backup Exec will be installed on this, and you can do further configuration once everything is deployed for you. So the idea here is that you don't need to go through that all the step-by-step deployment within Azure. These are all click to run bundle. Everything is installed for you, and you can do further configuration. And just to point out, in case you need to move the size up and down, you can always do that, and that's the flexibility the cloud provides you. But you have all the stuff already deployed, you have your Backup Exec running, and everything is good to go for you. So this video was on how to deploy click to run Veritas Backup Exec solution on Azure through Streamone Portal. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.